In this video, we're going to take a look at how to use a schedule in Creator. So let's get started. In our Creator app, you want to go to the application that you are wanting to set a schedule for, and you go up to Edit this application. And under Workflows, go to Schedules. And as you see, I have one built here. And this is a simple one. It's just saying execute this function. And the function is right in here. And what we were doing with this is on a daily basis, we want to be able to grab from our projects the tasks, basically the time logs for the previous day, and then create a meeting in the CRM. So pretty simple little task. It's nice. It's a way to integrate both projects, Creator and CRM all together. And so it's fairly easy to, as you can see, to create one. So if I was to start a new one, all I'm going to do is do a new workflow. And here's the start date and time. Let's say we want to start tomorrow. You can choose any time you want. So let's go 8:30 on the dot. We want it to run daily, and then you just give it a name and you create it. And then it will come up. Let's just say, let's go test, easy. And I want to add a new action. Do a little deluge script. And like I said, that was just this app. And there was our deal. And save it, and that would give us a new schedule. So very simple. Schedules are great if it's something that you want to run on a often occurrence. You can do daily, weekly, monthly. You can even do hourly if you need something to run hourly instead of having to remember to go in and run it manually. Schedules are an easy way to do that. Schedules is available in a lot of the apps for Zoho. CRM is a big one that uses schedules, and here in Creator is an easy way to use it as well. If you have any more questions, check out our website for a free consultation, and check out our YouTube for more helpful videos.
If you found this video helpful, be sure to like it and leave us a comment. You can also subscribe to our channel and click the bell next to the subscribe button to be notified of new videos. If you want to learn more about Zoho or would like help with anything Zoho related, head on over to our website at zcrmhelp.com to connect with us. Thanks for watching.